Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies, and I am here today with a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel and making this a super fun and creative place. I really enjoy interacting with you guys and making videos for you guys, and it's really cool to have a place where I can share what I'm making, share what I found at an estate sale, or share with you guys how I've done something through tutorials and stuff. So thank you so much. My videos kind of started off geared more towards haul videos, but I think because I've been able to focus more time on it recently, I've done a lot more tutorials. So I really want to kind of gear this giveaway towards tutorials. So what I've decided to do is to pick out 4 different tutorials that I've done in the pretty recent past and give you guys the main materials needed to do those tutorials. That way, if you're wanting to learn or try out a certain thing and you don't have one of those items, this will help with that. But also, even if you just want to try it out with the same items that I've used. So the first tutorial that I wanted to give a little kit out for is the napkin washi tape tutorial. So I am including a roll of double-sided tape, the same kind that I use. I've also included some napkins, and these are just napkins from my stash. I have this one, which I love. This really cool image that to me looks kind of retro. This one, I love the gold on the end. This more botanical one, as well as this one. I think this makes really pretty tape. It's very striking. And I've actually never used this one, but I really love this flower. And I think these birds are really cool as well. And this one, which turns out really pretty with the tape. And this one, which is my favorite napkin, and I do hoard it. This one. And this one. So I think that's about 10 napkins. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So that's going to be one video. And I will link the video down below so that whoever wins will have all the videos listed there. And it's kind of like a good way of keeping track of it. Next one will be for specimen cards. So I have included some dried flowers. Now, unless there's a problem shipping this will be included in the giveaway. But if they tell me something, I don't know, like I've never shipped dried flowers before. So if there's like some kind of problem or something, then I might not include it. But as of right now, these will be included. Along with those are going to be the cardstock part of the specimen card, and I have die cutted it as well. I know not everyone has a die cutting machine or like a large hole puncher, so I figured by preparing this, it'll just make it easier for whoever wants to follow along on the tutorial to follow along. And along with that, I've included some transparency film in case that's hard for anyone to find. Next tutorial will be the layered printing on vintage fabric. So I have torn these down to about 8.5 and 11. You might have to adjust it depending on the size of your paper and what you feed through your printer. But these are vintage sheets that look really cool with something printed over them. And these are literally the ones that I used in the tutorial. So you can kind of test it out and see your results. And the washi tape, not the washi tape, the double-sided tape can be used for this project as well. Next is the tutorial where I did the vintage retro slide mounts. So I've included the transparency along with these vintage photo slide mounts and these images from this 1955 National Geographic magazine. I have picked out images that I think would look cool in a slide mount. So you can kind of pick and choose what you want to go in the slide mount. But there are images in here that I think would look really cool. And you can choose to put whichever images speak to you into the slide mounts. And I've tried to choose images that are small enough to make the floating slide mounts where the picture sits in the middle and it's clear all around. So, and of course, if you win this and you don't want to do it along with the tutorials, of course you can do whatever you want with them. But I hope that you guys like this idea. I think it just kind of is very geared towards what my channel is right now. And I do want to help someone try out these projects if they want to. But to enter, there's going to be two other ways to enter in addition to this first way. So to enter, please like this video, be subscribed to this channel, and hit the bell notification button. And once you've done that, you can just comment down below a channel that you enjoy that is around my size or smaller. I have really been wanting to discover new channels and help fellow channels who are around my size or smaller to discover each other. I think it's a really cool thing that we can do here in this community to just like grow with each other. So once you have done the 3 things I mentioned before, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification, please comment a channel that you enjoy that's smaller. Or you could just put enter me, or if you don't know any small channels and you want to put a large channel, please do that too. So that's the first way to enter, and I will list it down below. The second way to enter would be to go to my Instagram, which is the same name as here, Lace Covered Skies, and follow me over there, and then just come back over here and type in your Instagram handle name so that I know who you are over there. And then the third way would be to go to my TikTok, which is a different name. My name over on TikTok is Enchanted Paper Cottage. Once again, that's Enchanted Paper Cottage, and follow me over there, and then come back over here and just write down in the comments your TikTok handle name. So those are the 3 ways to enter, and I think I'm gonna leave this up, or leave this giveaway open until the last day of June, which would be June 30th, right? Yeah, there's 30 days in this month. So this will stay open until June 30th, and it is open to international subscribers as well. But yeah, I just want to really thank you guys for being here, for watching my videos and giving me a place to go for my creativity. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, please ask them down in the comments below, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.